Hello people, TDK here. So as you can see in the intro, today we got this really big pet camera from our old friend, WoPet again. So when this package arrived, I was really shocked by its size, considering it's just a pet camera. And that really piqued my interest since it's even bigger than my cinema camera. See, Dᴏᴘ's curious too. Okay Dᴏᴘ, it's just an empty box, let's get into the real stuff. So what we have here is a dog camera with treat dispenser. It's saying it's a dog camera, but I think it can be used for cats as well. So in the box we have the charging cable. It's a really long one, which I appreciated. Instructions, and from my past experiences, you might want to look into those. The actual camera itself, and whoa, it's really big. So this is it. And it has suction mount on the bottom, which is really nice for putting on hard surfaces. It doesn't support batteries, so that USB charger is the only way to power it. I thought the treat container would be a lot deeper than this considering the overall size. Makes me wonder what's underneath it. So I put those instinct toppings inside it, but you might want to put something bigger than that because it will make a mess if treats are small. Setting up this device is quick and easy, but I have to say the app experience is not really impressive. As you can see here, it seems like they gave up on updating the app long time ago. The aspect ratio is weird on iOS devices. So this is the main screen, and on the top you can take a picture, on the bottom you can record, left for accessing the mic, and right for listening through the device. And of course the middle is for tossing the treats. I gotta say though, the record function doesn't work that well. Sometimes it'll freeze on you and lose the recordings, which is really frustrating. So if you want this to be a legit security camera for your home, this might not be a good choice, but it is a cheap alternative for a pet camera compared to other pet cameras on the market. You can also manually toss it by pressing this button over here. And whoa, that's a really strong toss. Let's try tossing it in the app. Sorry Kaiju, we can't have you on the table. You're too heavy for the table. And again, that's a really strong toss. It also has the night vision, and this is what it looks like. And for those of you who wonder what our monsters do during nighttime, well, nothing. Hello. You can also record your voice for tossing treats, and the tossing button in the app really confuses me because I have no idea how long I should be pressing for it to toss once. And I might press it for too long here. Stop. 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 Okay, let's see how our little monsters will react to this, and also to see what they do when we are not home. Hope they don't turn into real monsters. So like I said before, this is a cheap alternative for a pet camera. Consider many other pet cameras cost more than 100 bucks. It's good for what it does, and you can interact with your pets when you're not home. You can keep an eye on them, you can talk to them, you can even toss treats. You can do stuff with your pets even you're not home. But keep in mind, this is not going to replace your regular security camera, since like I said before, the record function is not that great, and also it's really just designed for watching your pets from distance. Okay, so thanks for watching, and TDK will see you next time. Peace.